Hello everyone. I thought I'd come on and just share a card that I made for a swap that I'm in. This we had to do either fall or autumn. It was only to be one card, I think, I hope. So you may recognize this. This is a rosette I made in September, I think, for embellishments on the 11th. Anyway, one of those times, and it's using the Gilded Autumn paper, as is this in the card. So what I did is I used thick Very Vanilla, made the Slimline card base, cut a piece of Cajun Craze to go all the way across but a 1/4 inch in. I stamped using the stamps out of Beautiful Autumn for the leaf, the other leaf, which that one, the oak leaf, the maple leaf, and the I don't think I used the acorn on. Well, I did one acorn over here on the margin. And I had this actual little scrap of striped paper from the same set, so I just put that down here. Then I actually might have had this piece too. I might have had to trim it down. Anyway, I cut a piece to be so this is 8.5 by 3.5. The Cajun Craze is 3.25 by 8.5. So I think I had cut this down to be 8 by 3. But then I tore it. I tore it down the edges, and then I used Early Espresso and my blending tool, and I just blended around the edges. I actually put a little bit up here also. Got some ink on there, but anyway, by the time you see this, Abril will already have it. She was my swap partner. And I stamped Have a Beautiful Day also in this set, in Cajun Craze. And then I have, this is punched out of this paper. This is out of the metallic, brushed metallic papers, and this is out of Cajun Craze. And the ones on here were out of the brushed metallics, I believe, also. And this paper has pumpkins and things on it. It's in Cajun Craze, but it has gold foiling on it. So the pumpkins don't exactly match, but they're fall, and I liked it with it, so I put them on. And this is a piece of the woven, I think it's on back order right now, the basket weave out of the Gilded Autumn Suite ribbon combo pack. It's mint macaron is the color, and that's the color of these leaves in the paper. And then on the inside, I just used Cajun Craze, Very Vanilla, another piece of the paper, and I stamped a few leaves and an acorn and things. And then, because I didn't want to write in the card in case Abril wants to use it again, I had this other little scrap. So I just added, and I won't show you the message, but I just added a little piece of Very Vanilla in it, and I wrote my message in there, and I stamped, "Hey there," from the set as well. Put an extra Cajun Craze leaf on and another little piece of that ribbon. Oh, and the gems are the Gilded gems, which if you watch me at all, you know I love these and have used them a lot in the past. And they're in the annual catalog by Stampin' Up. So that, and then I have a little baggie of some things, just small things to give her in the card, because it's supposed to be able to mail it in a regular number 10 size envelope, right? So we're going to do that. We might stamp on the envelope just a little bit too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope, Abril, you enjoyed it when you got it. Let me know if I did okay or not. I didn't want to do winter quite yet. I'm not ready for winter, so we just started fall, so I wanted to continue with fall for a little while. So I hope you like it, and everyone have a great day. And be sure to check out Abril's channel. I will link it down below as well. But like I said, this was, oh, and this was hosted by Left-Handed Crafter, but it was on her Facebook, in her Facebook group. So not here on YouTube. So yeah, so follow her there. I'll put her link to her YouTube channel down below as well. So Left-Handed Crafter hosted, Abril, I can't remember her channel name, but I'll look it up and link it down below. It might be just her name, but I don't want to say it in case I'm wrong. So anyway, yeah, so that's it. All right, guys, have a great day. Happy fall. Happy October. And yeah, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.